And meantime, we're seeing community outbreaks at homes right here in San Diego. Household gatherings are still prohibited under the county's public health order, but people are spreading the virus at private house parties anyway. As ABC 10 News reporter Mimi Alcala explains, there aren't any legal consequences for the hosts or their guests.
From birthdays to barbecues, there have been 5 community outbreaks linked to private house parties. 33 people tested positive for COVID-19. The outbreaks were reported just after Easter through mid-June, and it's something San Diego County's health officials are worried about. They know some people will continue to gather, especially with the 4th of July right around the corner.
They're eating and they're drinking and they're not maintaining social distance.
It was rough for me. I was sick for about 6 weeks.
Back in March, Andrea Cardenas tested positive for COVID-19, and it hit her hard, despite her being young and healthy.
I'll go walk my dog and I'm still having difficulty breathing when I get home.
For someone who experienced how troubling this virus can be, the fact that many people are now mixing with friends and extended family, going against the county's public health order, just doesn't sit well.
It's really disheartening to see that people are still not getting it. Even if you feel fine, you could be a carrier.
The county says it's up to law enforcement agencies to decide how to enforce the rules when it comes to gatherings, social distancing, and facial coverings. But some officers feel like their hands are tied. A spokesperson for the San Diego Police Department said, "We do not and will not go into private homes to enforce any of the county health orders." I heard back from law enforcement agencies across the county, including the Sheriff's Department, Chula Vista, Coronado, La Mesa, and El Cajon Police. Many say they've been focusing on education first or giving warnings when they see violations in public. Actual enforcement is a last resort option. They're relying on all of us to comply and do our part to slow the spread.
I think it's our social responsibility to really take this seriously.
Mimi Alcala, ABC 10 News.